Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to round numbers in Excel. Perfect for making your spreadsheets cleaner and easier to read. If you just want to round numbers for display purposes without changing the actual value, Excel makes it really easy. The fastest way is using the increased decimal or decreased decimal buttons on the Home tab in the Number group. Click the buttons to adjust how many decimal places are shown. Alternatively, you can change the cell's format. First, select the cell or range of numbers you want to round. Press Ctrl 1 or right-click and choose Format Cells. In the Format Cells window, go to the Number or Currency tab and set the number of decimal places you want. You'll see a preview under Sample. Click OK to save your changes. And that's it. The number looks rounded in your sheet, but the original value is still using calculations, so your formulas stay accurate. If this tip helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Excel tutorials.